right now we are going to Sitaphalam beach. It's near Rambilli. It's around 60 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. So it is one of the unexplored beaches in Visakhapatnam right now. So I've seen few videos, so it excited me. So me and my friend Sunil is going to the beach today. So we both own the 310 GS, the same color. So from so many days we plan to go for a ride. So from tomorrow it will be a 144 section and curfew in Andhra Pradesh. So we planned today. Actually yesterday we planned, but I didn't execute it. So today we planned, but we are waiting at home to reduce this rain. So almost we are 1 hour late actually. So you can see the rain just stopped now. So we are starting. So it is as per Google Maps it's showing us around 1 hour 45 minutes. Though it's 60 kilometers only, it is showing less time. So the guys are waiting here. So let's rock. Huh? In the fuel, huh?
Soundstripe.
Crossing the Lankalpalam, we have entered into APISC Pharma City. So we are going through this. From here it's showing around 34 kilometers to the beach. But it's showing around 1 hour from here. Let's see how it goes. This is actually, it says, Pharma says. Experiencing a little drizzle here, but see how the chimneys over there. It might be NTPC, so we are going beside NTPC actually. So you can see how lovely the weather is. See, that is NTPC. So this is the Brandix manufacturing. So we are taking a off-road from here, showing this way. This bike is meant for this off-roads only. I can feel the bumps, but not much. So little when you feel uneven roads, right? The same thing I can feel over here. Ma beach kitten, huh? Yeah. The ladies said also from this place only. We have a village over here as well. Oh, from village we need to go. The guys are playing cricket. Last came as well. Beach it na? Can we go with a bike further? Or what should we do? Our bike can go, but we should not take a risk, I guess. So we need to walk as well, I guess. We can go till further. So our struggles to go into the beach with our bikes, because we are planning a shoot with our bikes. Let's see.
Soundstripe.
Good at trying. I'm good at trying. So this is not enough. So I need to go back and move. Open. ఎక్కుతుందా? ఆఫీస్ వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడే కరెక్ట్ కాల్ చేశారు. చూడు ఆఫీస్ కాల్ మీటింగ్ ఇవాళ ఏదో ఎమర్జెన్సీ మీటింగ్లు వస్తాయి. ఇంకేం చెప్తా. attending their call and doing this thing. It's quite multitasking, you know, getting their call and मुझे फ्रंट की. Right now we are at Sitafalam beach. So we took our vehicles all the way to hilltop. It is really difficult to get it on. I have recorded as well. So this is the view from the top. So these are the boys.
Hi.
Hi. Sunil, Anand, Jishu, Rajendra. So Rajendra vehicle is still at, you can see there, right? It is still there. So it is difficult to get. So right now I am here. You can see the awesome location behind me. So this is called Sitafalam beach, unexplored beach in Visakhapatnam. See you soon. So we are moving forward, getting the downhill. So it will be quite tricky to get into downhill. We are heading back to home.